T-Mobile Unlock Error 146 indicates a problem with your device's unlock eligibility or authentication. It often means your phone's IMEI doesn't match T-Mobile's records, or the system is experiencing temporary glitches. It falls under a device eligibility verification failure, or IMEI authentication error. This can happen due to app glitches, outdated software, or account issues like session timeouts. But don't worry, it's usually fixable with a few simple steps using T-Mobile's app and web portal. To prevent this error, ensure your device is fully paid off, has been active on T-Mobile for at least 40 days, and hasn't been reported stolen. You can verify eligibility on T-Mobile's website before using the app. As of late 2025, T-Mobile has streamlined its unlocking process through a dedicated mobile app and web portal, reducing common errors like 146 by integrating AI-driven diagnostics. The primary solution for error 146 involves three key steps. First, clear the T-Mobile app's cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing conflicts. Next, ensure you're using the latest version of the T-Mobile app to guarantee compatibility with T-Mobile's servers. In September 2025, T-Mobile released an app update, version 5.2.1, that addresses frequent unlock failures, including code 146. Finally, completely log out and then back into the T-Mobile app to refresh your authentication tokens. User feedback from October 2025 shows a 40% drop in reported code 146 incidents post-update. If the error persists after these steps, consider using T-Mobile's web portal or contacting their live chat support for further assistance, especially if you have an older device.